Trick is letting people lose you instead of begging them to choose you. Oh, that was deep right there. Ready to drill!
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT. You know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, y'all got some fried chicken wings, some potato salad, some some King Hawaiian rolls, some sweet and sour sauce. As a matter of fact, QueenEATAT. The Q is not gonna be there, y'all. Well, it's gonna be there when y'all see it, but it ain't there right there. Cause get what? Your boy ain't do it yet. Your boy ain't do it yet. Well, I got you right here though. Kaboom. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. There we go. Kaboom. There we go. Y'all gonna see it now. Cause it's right here, right now. How y'all day going? I hope everybody's day is going wonderful. Yeah, I'm low. Blessings to everybody in their family today. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Welcome to Team EAT's merch collection. We got Dewey EAT. We got face mask EAT. Face mask EAT. Ski mask EAT. Everybody who be asking about how the stuff look, there you go. Bunny EAT. They go to Bunny. That's Bunny EAT. Huh? Alright. And a lot of y'all be asking about the t-shirts. A lot of y'all ask about my t-shirts. These are the t-shirts. These are the t-shirts, y'all. They stretch a lot. Look. This is a medium. Look how much it stretch. This is a medium. And it goes right back. It bounced back. Good quality. Everybody who wanted merch. Y'all see the number right there. I love y'all. I'm low, y'all. I just want a little dab on here. Just a little kick. Just a little kick. I don't want too much. Just a little bit. Little taste. The 2 times y'all be hitting for real. How y'all day been going? Y'all know how I get down with this. Potato. What y'all been up to? Y'all miss your boy. Right there. Okay. I like it. I like that right there, y'all. I don't know if I had other kinds, but the boy wants to try something a little different. I like that though. Now what y'all been doing? The boy, listen. The boy been having a lot going on, y'all. But get what? I always know, right? Whether it's something good or whether it's something bad. But I don't look at it like it's bad, right? I look at it like it's all gonna work for my good in the end. You know what I'm saying? See, a lot of us might go through a rough patch in life, right? And we feel like things just ain't going our way, or why is this happening to me, or you feel like you always doing everything right. I'm gonna tell you this though. It's a reason why you can't just pray away everything. There's a reason. And that reason is because God is using what you're going through right now for your good. Because you gotta think about it like this. If the situation ain't changing, maybe God using that situation to change you. Hey. You know, a lot of us get mixed up and confused there, right? You feel like you praying, God ain't answering your prayer, but you praying for him about situations that he got you going through to better you. And I'm gonna tell you this. Whatever that is you're going through right now, you're gonna go through it until you learn whatever that lesson is. You're gonna go through that same situation over and over again until you learn whatever that lesson is he wants you to learn. That's why you can't pray away every situation, every bad time. That's why. I'm understand. Because I'm gonna be like, I prayed about this, and that, right? You pray about this, and that, you definitely pray about it. But you ain't learned the lesson that he wanted you to learn from it. It's just like this. Take for instance this, right? Take for instance this. Say for instance this, right? Let's say for instance, you got a baby. Every time you get that baby some food, the baby throw it on the ground, right? Get it to him, throw it on the ground. You don't get it to him, they cry back. Get it to him, get it, throw it on the ground. How many times you gonna give it to that baby before you realize, or once that baby realize, you're okay. Until I stop throwing it on the ground, I ain't gonna get it no more. Think about it like that. until you get it, you're gonna keep going through what you're going through. But in actuality, you're not supposed to go through it, you're supposed to grow through it. Think about it like that. You have to learn that lesson before you can get that blessing. If that baby wants you to keep giving that food, you gotta learn that lesson, quit throwing it on the ground. It's the same with you. Whatever that lesson is he's trying to teach you, you gotta learn that in order to get blessed again. But see, a lot of us, a lot of the time, we be stubborn, stuck in our ways, comfortable. Whatever the situation is, we don't want to let it go. Or we just don't want to learn said lesson. But there's something that God needed you to go through so you can get to where you need to go. And when you get there, you being learned that lesson. So when you get where you're going, you can learn somebody else. You can get there and you learn somebody else. Guess what? You done already learned it. God done already taught you, so now you can learn somebody else. Yeah, I said learn somebody else. Don't judge me. When you get to where you're going, you learn somebody else. I feel like, right, to me, I said, well, God blessed me with this platform, right? But y'all know, the ones of y'all who been here for a while, y'all know. Your boy wasn't always like this. If you go back and you watch some of my older videos, I ain't gonna say that I was negative. I ain't gonna say that, but I wasn't like I am now. I was different. A lot of people that I used to hang with can't hang with all those same people no more. Come to here. Most of the time, I know a lot of people say, you are who you hang around. It all depends on who you talking about. I'm gonna say that because I'm gonna say this. Some of the people that I was hanging around was doing some stuff that I didn't necessarily agree with. But That don't mean it made me do it. You know? But, I'm tell y'all this. A lot of people that were also hanging around wasn't trying to push me to becoming a better version of myself either. You see what I'm saying? So it's like that with me. Like, if you're around people who only doing this one particular thing, then there's no way they can push or help you to do something different from what they doing. You see what I'm saying? If that make any sense to y'all. Like, there was nobody around me that could be like, I want to do YouTube. All of them laughed at me. Because we didn't know nobody do YouTube. We didn't know nothing about doing YouTube. Like close thing we came to YouTube was watching it. You know, so I'm not gonna say you are who you hang around, but it plays a major part in who you become. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like if you was to hang around business owners all day, right? You talk to business owners all day on the phone. Unconsciously, you gonna be taking that information in, and sooner or later, you're gonna be picked up enough information to start your own business. You see what I'm saying? And let's say, for instance, on that same note, you hang around thieves all day. That's all you hang around. Thieves. You talk on the phone to thieves. You go out, you with thieves. Sooner or later, that's all they talking about. So unconsciously, you're going to take in that same knowledge into being a thief. Sooner or later, I'm not saying for sure, but it's always that chance that you might be like, well, I think I can take that because I remember such and such and them said that all you got to do is that. Ain't nobody right there, so I can just wham and get that. You see what I'm saying? Not saying you would. I'm saying it's always in your mind because that's all you know. That's all you talk about. That's all everybody you hang around talk about. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not saying you are who you hang around, but it plays a major part in who you become. That's all I'm saying. I feel like, not saying that you have to quit hanging with your people. I ain't saying that. Do what you want to do. But I am saying whoever you hang around, ask yourself this question, right? Ask yourself this question, right? The people that you talk to on the phone on an everyday basis, right? We got no purples. No. I go with green. The people that you talk to on a regular basis, right? I'm just saying. The people that you talk to on a regular basis, what do y'all talk about? I'm just asking. The people that you talk to on a regular basis, on a regular, everyday basis, what do y'all talk about? Now I'm gonna say this. Y'all heard me say this before. I'm gonna say it again. Poor people gossip on the phone. Girl, you heard about such and such and woo that woo? Mm-hmm. Girl, that don't even make no sense. Hey man, you hear what such and such and them here did? No, okay. Couldn't be me. Such and such and woo that woo them. Mm-hmm. Rich people discuss events. Yeah, man, we're going to the such and such tonight. Such and such gonna be there. Wood and them gonna be there. You know. We're gonna go there, shut it down. Then we're gonna travel to such and such. Go to Dubai. Do that and do that and do woo woo. We're gonna fly over to Paris. Do this, do go wham, wham, woo woo. Right? Wealthy people discuss ideas. Hey, I got this brilliant idea. I was thinking about A, B, C, and D. I was thinking about putting this in place to fund that business, put this in place to fund this new business. What do you think about that? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Cause I had a thought to put this here and then do that like that right there. What do you think about that? Those are the see. I'm not. This is what I'm saying. I know some people be like, "Dang, you ain't rich or wealthy." You're right. You're right. In my mind, I am. You can't tell me I'm not. You can't tell me I'm not. So get what? What I tell you all the time. Manifestation is real. Let me ask you this. Let me ask you right here. Let's say you gotta change the way you think, right? When you get up in the morning, hold on. I want y'all to hear this. When you get up in the morning, and you say, do you say, I gotta go to work? Hmm? Man, I gotta go to work. Don't say that. Don't say I gotta go to work. You say I get to go to work. At one point, you wishing you got that job. And see, I tell people all the time, you can't ask God for something and you being ungrateful for what you already got. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You know. I tell you all the time. Ain't nobody gotta listen to me. Ain't nobody gotta listen to me, I'm just saying. Why would I tell you how I look at it. I feel like God, like, why would I continue to bless you and you talk about the car I gave you like a dog? You talk about the house I gave you like a dog. Everything I gave you, you talk so bad about. But you pray, asking me to give you something else. So, when you get old to you, you can dog it out too. Oh, excuse me. You have to be grateful. I tell you all the time, the lack the lack of gratitude is the #1 blessing blocker. I listen. I'm just being honest with you. That's all I'm doing. I'm just being honest with you. The lack of gratitude, y'all, is the #1 blessing blocker. See, a lot of people don't realize that you have to be grateful and thankful for what you already got. A lot of people don't realize that one of your biggest blessings is waking up every day. You should be thankful the rest of the day. You should be thankful the rest of the day. Just for that blessing alone. Oh, you mean to tell me you think waking up every day, you think that's automatic? But y'all think that's automatic? You think that's automatic, right? Okay. Do me a favor. Google how many people pass in their sleep every night. Google it. Google that number. Google it. How many people pass in their sleep? And you tell me that it ain't a blessing that you woke up. I'm telling you now. A lot of y'all wake up. A lot of us wake up. And the first thing we do is complain. I'm gonna tell you this. There's a lot of people out in this world that'll kill to have some of the blessings that we got. You wake up, oh, excuse me, your legs and feet might be hurting. How you think the people feel who don't got legs or feet? Understand how you think they feel. You complain the choice hurt. But they don't even got them. Let me tell you. Like I just told you. The lack of gratitude. Number one blessing blocker. I'm just trying to tell you. A lot of people wake up, come in, ain't got nothing to be grateful for, thankful for. And you can see, you can hear, you're in your right mind. You still got that roof over your head. Regardless of how it looks, you still got that car, a piece of car. Still got a little food. Your eyes still working or halfway working. Well, look. I can give you 50 things you should be thankful for right now. But, like I said, a lot of us wake up and the first thing we do is complain. It's good right here, y'all. Take a look at me, I'm done! Oh, good. Woo! That chicken with fried extra crispy. That'll be a deep fry right there, y'all. Yeah, I love y'all. If anybody told you today they love you, I love you. If anybody said yesterday they love you, I love you. If ain't nobody told you in 2022 they love you, can't eat, love you. What time is it? Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Let me get a little drink of drink. Woo! That was delicioso. All right, y'all. That's all we got. It ain't no more. Time is tight. That's the end of my show. Grab your hand, make a fist, listen to me, and remember this. I tell it to the hot. I tell it to the cold. I tell it to the young. I tell it to the old. Don't want no laughing. Don't want no crying. And most of all, no signifying. I love y'all. I'ma eat that there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.